Hi guys, Tara here in the craft cabin. Hope you are keeping well today. Just want to give you a heads up on our refresher crochet class. So this is for anyone that has done a granny square or the guts of a granny square. So if you know your chains and your doubles and your trebles, but you're a little bit rusty on how they go together and you want a little bit of confidence, maybe it's been a long time since you've done it, or indeed if you are looking at patterns like this and wondering how the hell do I follow this? So if you need a little bit of a boost, we are here to help you. So we're going to go back over the basics. So we are going to look at creating our granny squares. We're going to look at color change, how to join the pieces together, how to do a very simple edging. We'll do a little demo on that. We'll then go on to pattern reading and make our own little flower. So we make something like this here by following a pattern. Lots of tips and hints on the day, very experienced tutors. So by the end of it, you should have lots of confidence to go on and pick some projects that maybe are a little bit more advanced, that you maybe haven't had the confidence to do before. So if you think this is the class for you, you can book online, or if you have any questions, you can send us a note on Facebook or just pop into the shop. Thanks.